Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a yellow duck while we learn Spanish. We draw the head, that is said, CABEZA. We draw its beak. Beak in Spanish is PICO. Let's draw the wing. Wing in Spanish is ala. Now the eye. Eye in Spanish is ojo. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is ROTULADOR. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say duck in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with orange. That in Spanish is said NARANJA. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Let's see if you know the answer. Duck in Spanish is PATO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.